Okay, just finished playing tennis. Really good little workout. I find I'm having a really hard time just working out and just doing circuits. So getting into a sport and kind of like playing something where like I actually have to like think, I feel like has really been helping. So that was really fun. I am currently on my lunch break from work, so we don't have too much time left, but I really want to make a smoothie and maybe squeeze in an ab workout. So let's see if we can do that. Okay, hair's up, girly cues. We are attempting a 6-minute ab. Let's see if we can do it. So, oh, I'm falling. Okay, so for those ever wondering what sort of quick workout I like to do, usually it's kind of what you saw, a quick little sport if possible. If not, I do like 10 minutes, 20 minutes of cardio. And then I absolutely love doing ab workouts. It's either the 10-minute Sam Clark one or this 6-minute one by Pamela Reeve. This is like the quickest and best ab workout that I've ever done, so I highly recommend it. Okay, let's get started. Okay, smoothie time. Oh. Okay, so this is kind of what we're working with today. Usually when I'm home, I have like dairy-free yogurt and dairy-free milk, but don't have that right now. Not a big deal though. Just really want to get a smoothie going, a little bit of protein, and get some energy in me without kind of going overboard with food, because I ate a lot of food this weekend. So yeah. I'm gonna start with strawberries. Got some frozen bananas. I usually do like 250 milliliters of whatever liquid when I do a smoothie. And the only reason I know that is because I used to work at a smoothie shop. And so that was kind of like the ratio. You do like 1 to 2 cups of like your frozen fruit, and then 250 milliliters of your liquid. And then depending on like how it's going, you can add a little bit or add a bit of ice, whatever you want. A little bit of maple syrup for some more sweetness, because I love a sweet smoothie. Some yogurt. Okay, I like to use a stick when I'm making my smoothie, so let's see how this goes. Yay! Smoothie looks good. Okay, let's hope this works. Yes. Cool, so I'm going to enjoy this. Made one for Sammy as well. And then I'm just gonna get back to work and I'll speak to you guys later. Cheers. Okay, so I'm still doing some work, but obviously everyone gets hungry, so I have a little snack, but I thought I'd show you kind of what I'm snacking on. But yeah, so basically I'm just having some carrots and celery with this red pepper cheese dip. It's super good. If anyone lives in kind of like Toronto GTA area, you can get this at a place called The Cheese Boutique. Absolutely phenomenal. Okay, so I just finished work. Oh, and I think our dinner is ready. Nothing too fancy, but I just heated us up some chicken curry and basmati rice. So I'm gonna take that out of the oven right now. smells so good. Looks good. Okay, I'm actually starving, so I'm gonna go eat dinner and then we'll keep you guys updated. I just spent literally the last hour on the couch watching RuPaul's Drag Race All-Star Edition. Literally, if you haven't seen it, you have to watch it. It's like the most entertaining show ever. And I accidentally started All-Stars before I started the real RuPaul, which obviously I would totally do that. Yeah, but I'm absolutely loving it. 10 out of 10 show, definitely recommend. But I got sent a few products a little bit ago, so I think I might unbox those and try them out with you guys. In the bathroom now. It's been a really long day. My skin needs a little bit of TLC and so does my hair, to be honest. And I have been sent products, which is really awesome. Some are for my hair and some are for my face. So I was like, you know what? Let's just try them out. I thought we would first and foremost start off with the hair. So I was sent a package from a company called Kerastase. I feel like I'm butchering that, but we're just gonna go with it. They sent me a few products to try out, which is super fun and exciting. The first one is this Beach Biphase Oil Mist. It says it's for sun exposed hair, so I feel like it's kind of like a little bit of a protectant for your hair when you're kind of like out and about in the sun. I'm not gonna be trying this one out today, and I'm not gonna be trying this one out either, but this one looks fun too. This one's just a nourishing after sun shampoo. But the one that I really wanna try, this hair mask, and this hair mask looks really awesome and for sun exposed hair, which my hair has definitely been exposed to lately. Oh, cute. This looks great. Oh my God. So I'm just gonna go wet my hair quickly and then I'll be back. Hair is wet. Hair is brushed. Okay. The hair has been wet and brushed out with my handy dandy wet brush, which I absolutely love. Don't mind the amount of hair that's in it. I'm gonna start off by using this, which is probably gonna be enough. What I usually do is I kind of rub it between my fingers. I focus a lot of it near the ends of my hair because that's usually where it's the most dead. Rub it between my fingers and then just focus a little bit of the product on the ends. I really like sleek it out. Wet brush, guys, is amazing too if you don't have a wet brush. I highly recommend getting one. I literally just picked mine up from Walmart. Very easy. And then I have a clip with me. So we're just gonna clip my hair for now. And I find my hair masks are most effective when I literally just leave it in overnight and then rinse it off the next morning. So I'm gonna try and do that. Okay, hair pampering is done. Time to work on my skin. A company called Duvol sent me this little spin care system, and it's meant for cleansing, exfoliating, and it even came, this is literally one of the things I'm most excited about. It came with this little like stone scrub, or like stone tool, so I can clean my feet. So this is kind of what it looks like, guys. It's super cute. It comes with a whole bunch of different applicators. Some have like these really light bristles. It's really great for exfoliating. You can use it with your cleansers. It really just like cleans your pores kind of like one by one. Really gets in there and gets all of the dirt out. And I think it just comes with batteries, so you don't have to worry about charging it. It's more so just like, once it dies, it dies. Found some batteries. That took 2 hours, just kidding. Starting with this bristle right here, which is meant for exfoliating. And so we're gonna try this out with my Holy Grail cleanser, Biore charcoal cleanser. It's just great for oily skin and is also known to free your pores. Okay, got a little bit of my cleanser on here. Whoa. Oh, this feels really cool. This is great. I'm just gonna do this for about like 2 minutes. Okay, cool. Wow. Cute. So I put on the other bristle, which is meant for cleansing, and I'm gonna be using Spectro. And this one's supposed to be a lot smoother. This is quite nice again. You know how all the girls are talking about like hot girl summer like bod? I want hot girl summer skin. That's what I want. Oh God, I'm getting it like in my hair. Okay. Let's rinse this bad boy off. And when I dry my face, a little tip, literally never like drag or like try and like wipe off the water off your face. That's really, really tough on your skin. So always just like pat your face down, kind of like dab your skin. Okay, we have exfoliated, we've cleansed, I'm feeling good. Now I'm gonna use another one of my Holy Grail products. This is probably one of my favorite toners when my skin is feeling really sensitive. It's just La Roche-Posay, like kind of like their normal toner. I just put toner in my hand. We have gotten the toner on. I'm just gonna apply that to my face. And I got one of these like roller things. Don't worry, I cleaned it, but I literally have no idea how to use it. So still need to watch a video on that, but I've really been liking it. Gotta keep those eyebrows nice and groomed. I feel really clean, really calm. This was exactly what I needed.